is English country. This is Cookie. English book to read today. The doorbell rang and the Duckling gets a cookie pigeon story. Are you ready to read? Here we go. The Duckling gets a cookie. I do not like the look of that little. The Duckling gets a cookie. Hello, may I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. Flop, flop, flop. That's very nice of you. Oh, look at all these nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Pearly, said, does the cookie have nuts? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Pearly, I ask for things all the time. I asked to drive the bus. I asked for hot dog parties. I asked for a French fry robot. And now then, I've asked for orders. Do I ask for seeds? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus. Yeah, I do. Right now, I'm asking why? Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hot dog. Or I'll ask for one more story. I can chant the times I would ask for my one problem asking. I ask to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the asked pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? No! It's not for flutty plop flop. Duckling said anything. Pigeon likes cookies too. Why did you get that cookie? So I could get you and around time. How about you're giving me that cookie with the nuts? That is so nice. Thank you very much. Snap. That is one cool Duckling. Yeah, sure. Bye. May I other cookie, please? But this time the nuts. The end. The doorbell rang. I made some cookies for tea. Some are good, said Victoria and Sam. We're saving. Share them between yourselves. Sam, I made plenty. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma. Sam, as the doorbell rang. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, Sam. You can share the cookies. That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, Sam, as the doorbell rang. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, Sam. You can share the cookies. They 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as their grandma's, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, Sam, as the doorbell rang. It's like Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, Sam. You can share the cookies. That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as their grandma's, said Joy. And look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, Summer as a doorbell rang and rang. Oh dear, Summer, as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Peepers, you do better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. It was Grandma with our other's tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. We ask good things. I made a lot. And no one makes cookies like Grandma. Summer as a doorbell rang. Did you have fun? US English Country will come back with a better book. See you next time!